Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and to another video. Today I'm sharing a close-up unboxing of the only bag to have entered my collection so far in 2024, and if you already watched my mini haul video, you know it is of course the Strathberry Mosaic Nano bag in vanilla with gold hardware. When I saw this released earlier in the year, I knew I had to have it, so I'm super excited that it's finally here. And I know I've shown it to you already, but I want to share this as an unboxing to give you an idea of how the bag comes packaged. So as you saw, it comes in black boxing with gold lettering on the front, as well as placed in a small Strathberry shopping tote, which I think is cute because it makes it, I guess, a bit more functional than your typical dust bag. I mean, I'll probably use it as a dust bag myself, but I guess it's nice to have the option. Anyway, here is bag. I can't explain how cute I think this bag is and how much I've loved using it so far. It's essentially a very structured top handle flat bag, and it's actually a redesign of the brand's very popular Mosaic bag, but in a more compact, portable version that is small but still super functional. The bag itself is made from 100% grain calf leather, and I have to say the leather is so beautiful and soft. It even has a very smooth, almost satiny feel to it. And it features these very clean, precise lines throughout that visually reinforce its overall structure. On the front, the bag features very minimal Strathberry branding along the bottom, as well as the signature bar along the flap closure. The bottom of the bag actually has two leather feet. And to be honest, I don't really know how I feel about leather feet because, like, if a brand recognizes the need for feet on a bag, then just give us the feet, you know? But anywho, thanks to my friend Liz from Nothing But Bags, I actually now have magnetic metal feet for this bag, which I'll show you in an upcoming video, so definitely keep an eye out for that. Opening the bag up, you can see that the closure is magnetic, and I have to say the magnet itself is actually quite strong to the point that it just snaps shut when I let go of the flap. Like, take a look. This is something that I really appreciate because it does at least feel like the bag is secure and you won't have to worry about it opening up or things accidentally falling out willy-nilly while you're on the go. One grievance that I do have with this bag is that when you open the flap, holding it up can kind of be a pain. But more importantly, because the top handle is sort of fixed and the leather is so soft, I'm afraid that having to hold the flap up every time I open the bag will cause some unsightly creasing over time. You can move the flap under the handle if you're patient and very gentle, but that would be kind of a hassle to do every time you open your bag, and that stress on the flap itself could cause creasing anyway. So let's take a look inside the bag. First, it comes with an adjustable leather strap, allowing for the bag to be worn hands-free as a crossbody bag or even over the shoulder. Inside, the bag is lined with super soft microfiber lining. Finally, the bag also features an open interior pocket along the back wall. In terms of dimensions, the bag is 5.5 inches tall, 7.1 inches long, and 3.5 inches wide, and it weighs 0.9 pounds. Here's a close-up look at the strap, which, like I said, is adjustable. It has a number of settings which makes it suitable for adjusting for different heights as well as for transitioning between crossbody and over-the-shoulder wear, although so far I've only worn it as a top handle bag because that's just the look that I prefer. The shortest strap length is 40.2 inches and the longest is 44.1 inches, while the shortest strap drop is 20.1 inches and the longest is 22 inches. And I should mention, if you're new to Strathberry, it's an Edinburgh-based luxury leather goods brand founded in 2013 by a husband and wife team. Their pieces are 100% handcrafted in Spain and are meant to be understated, minimal, and contemporary luxury items. The brand boasts creativity, quality, and says it strives to offer customers carefully designed and beautifully made pieces at a more accessible price point. So if you're into quiet luxury or just understated pieces in general, this is definitely a brand to check out. The branding on their pieces is very minimal. You'll usually just have the Strathberry name engraved in small gold lettering on the front and on parts of the hardware, as well as their bar closure, which is the brand's main hallmark. And although Strathberry has become an internationally known brand, at least where I am, it's not super common to see their pieces out in public, so it also does feel a bit more exclusive. Anyway, let's take a look at what fits inside. First and most importantly is my phone, proxied by my iPhone 14 Pro Max phone case. Despite being a thin case, it is a bit of a struggle to get into the bag, although the phone itself does slide right in without the case on. So if you have a smaller phone or at least something that's not the Pro Max size, you should be fine. Next in is my card case, which I like to put in the interior pocket. As you can see, it fits in there really snug. Then my keys, a lip product, a compact mirror, eye drops, sunglasses, and a lotion. And as you can see, it closes up really nicely without any bulging. You could definitely fit some other small items in there too, especially without the lotion, but I tried to be conservative to account for the space that would actually be taken up by my phone. Not to mention, I usually avoid stuffing my bags because it makes getting things out a bit more difficult. But yeah, just be aware that this is a smaller bag, and having even a slightly larger phone or a thicker phone case could make it hard to get inside the bag. I've personally either been removing my case to fit my phone in the bag because I really don't want to stretch the leather, or I've just been holding my phone in my hand, which I don't do because it doesn't fit in the bag, but just because unless I really need to go hands-free, my phone is typically in my hand anyway. But yeah, other than my minor gripe with the flap, I love this bag. And in terms of that issue, I feel like given the design of the bag, it's kind of unavoidable because if the top handle were made any bigger, it wouldn't look proportional, and changing the size of the flap wouldn't be cute either. Maybe making it so that the handle could fall back would help, but I don't know, that it might take away from the structure of the bag. So overall, it's a minor issue and one I'll happily deal with because I really do love this piece. So much so that I 100% see myself getting it in more colors. There are actually 4 that I love, but 3 that I see fitting into my lifestyle, specifically the oat, the black, and the caramel, so we'll see. I just think this bag is so practical, but also just a really visually appealing classic style. And it's casual enough to take on the go during the day, but also dressy enough, in my opinion, for evening wear or going to dinner or drinks, which I guess speaks to its versatility as well. But yeah, guys, I love it. Highly recommend it. And if you like the style of bag, but you think the mini might be too small for your lifestyle, like I said, this does come in a larger size and a range of colors. So definitely give it a look. Anyway, that's all I have for you today, friends. I'd love to hear what you think about this piece. I'm aiming to be back with another video next week, but if not, then I will definitely see you the week after. In the meantime, though, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!